Hi, I'm Steven with Amerimax Home Products, here today to talk to you about our newest product, Stealth Drain. It's designed to give you the look of buried drainage without the cost or hassle of digging. Before you get started with any rain diverting accessory project, ensure that there's a slope away from the foundation. We recommend 6 inches of fall for every 10 feet away from the foundation. Let's talk about what's included with Stealth Drain. Comes with a decorative grate, 8 feet of expandable tubing, a low profile basin, and 1 drain cap. In order to insert the pipe into the drain hole, use scissors or snips to cut a 3/4 inch slit on each side of the pipe. Once the pipe has been cut, simply insert and feed through the hole. Once the pipe has been inserted, ensure that the second ridge of the pipe is through the basin hole. At this point, you'll be able to grab the pipe and extend. For use with a 3x4 downspout application or heavier flow, remove the drain cap, cut the pipe, and insert into the second hole. Once the pipe has been inserted, replace the grate, place the basin underneath your downspout, and use landscape material such as pine straw, mulch, or stone to cover the pipe and surround the basin. Now your installation's complete. You have the look of buried drainage without the cost or hassle of digging. Thank you for taking a look at our new Stealth Drain product. You can find this and other rain diverting accessories from Amerimax Home Products at your local retailer.